Okay, today I would like to test for you the power source EF Delta. That is a power station that you can recharge by solar panel. So this is the solar panel. It's like less than 200 bucks. It's a 375 watts, 10 amperes. We are now in late November, so the sun is not at the top, but it's recharging very well, as you can see. Let's say, okay, here I don't know if you can read. It's charging at 327 volts inside coming. The battery is recharged now at 60%. It takes 4 hours with the sun to 6 hours, depending of the sun and the inclination of the solar panel. And you can do whatever you want. It's very easy to use. A 5-year-old children can use it. You have 4 different entries for USB here, with the on and off button for those lines, USB-C too, and here it's you can see the voltage that is coming in, 327 volts. So if it's charging like that from 60 to 100%, it will take 1 hour. So this indicates the time left to recharge completely. The percentage here in the middle, how it get in, and on the bottom how it can out. So what I love this power station is that you can do both. You can use it charging and discharging in the same time. So I took an example of a boiler, because the boiler it's a thing that is taking a lot of power. It's like a 1800 watt. So I started here the boiler. I put, yes, there is some water in it. So it is plugged behind. You have 4 plugs here, 1 2 3 4, and here you have the button to power all the 4 things. Here you have the car system to recharge it. I didn't test it yet. And here is come the solar power wire. It's directly connected to it. So you can charge it by solar panel, by the normal direct current, and this is the fuse, and that's it. It's very easy. So you don't need anything else when you have this battery EF Delta by EcoFlow. You don't need anything else to add. I mean, only the solar panel, but you don't need any equipment to filter the current, the electricity that is going inside, and nothing needed to outside output. So it's all in it, and it's very powerful. I live in a tent here, and I have my computer in it that is taking 60 watts per hour. So during the day I can use it all day long, no problem. And when the sun goes out, I can still use it all night long, and then have a electric blanket that is taking 60 watt all night long, to keep me warm, and I still have battery in the morning, like 10 to 20% when I use it like that all night long without recharging. And as soon as we have the sun in the morning, it takes 6 hours to recharge, 4 to 6. So it is very, very nice. There are fans inside, 4 fans. It's not making noise too much, a little bit when it's charging, but otherwise it's not. It doesn't turn all the time, and even so, it doesn't make a lot of noise. So, and this is the power button for the to see the level. So since the beginning of this video, it already took 5%. So, and I spent 5 for the boiler. So as you can see, it's going very well. So here we are. I really recommend this battery, this power station. Easy to recharge, efficient, and easy to use. Have a good day.